Dan Willis here, and we're talking about credit score help and 2 ways to build good credit. Now, this first way is obvious and natural. We should use your current accounts responsibly, and the big benefit with this is we're going to create a trail of positive on-time payment history, and that is very important when your credit score gets calculated. Now, this second way is to help your amounts owed, the second most important component when your credit score is calculated, if you've been keeping up with us here, and this is worth roughly 30% of your credit score. It's also called your utilization ratio, and this is going to look at your total, all of your debt, and it's going to compare that to your available unused credit. And hang with me here if that sounds too much, because here's the big deal here. Debt isn't bad. A lot of people have big student loans or a mortgage or whatever. Debt is not a bad thing. The big takeaway is to have available unused credit. For example, and this is hugely important when it comes to revolving credit lines with a credit card, for instance. So if you have a credit card with $1,000 limit, you'd want to keep your monthly balance at about $300 or 30% of the limit roughly, because that will give you $700 of available unused credit, and that's going to help your amounts owed or your utilization ratio. And it does make some logical and rational sense. If your credit card was instead maxed out, you'd obviously be a more risky lender. So if you'd like some help, you can get a free credit consultation with a certified FICO professional by calling toll-free 1-877-418-7596. Now, if you've had trouble getting approved for an unsecured credit card, because an unsecured account is going to give you the biggest benefit. An unsecured is like a traditional credit card where you just agree to make monthly payments. If you've had trouble getting approved for that, you may want to consider a secured credit card. Many folks use this for this purpose, and the big difference here is you're going to have to make a deposit first with that bank or the credit card issuer. So for example, let's say you deposit $500, then you'll be issued a major Visa or MasterCard with a credit limit of $500. That deposit is fully refundable so long as you use your card properly and don't default. However, that'll give you the same opportunity, and that will be reported to your credit reports as a secured account, which is a little bit less benefit, but this is a proven tool to help with this, because used responsibly, it will help to build and help your amounts owed and build that positive credit, because the big picture with fixing a less than perfect credit score is to build the good, build the positive, and then remove those dings, those mistakes, those errors that are on your credit report, because that's the most common cause and culprit of having a less than perfect credit score. And we're going to be talking about dealing with debt coming up next, along with then how to clear up those credit report history dings and those items that are damaging and dragging down most folks' consumer credit scores. Now, if you'd like some help, you can get a free credit consultation with a certified FICO professional by calling toll-free 1-877-418-7596. Again, that's for a free credit consultation with a certified FICO professional, and the toll-free phone number is 1-877-418-7596. This is Dan Willis. We're going to include a link in the description below over to an article on our website for the full story. We also have a free report available there, the 7 proven ways to boost your credit score. Please subscribe and join our congregation. Have a terrific day, and looking forward to talking to you again here soon.